Hello, I am a former Futaba 18 SG user, mainly fly 3D Harleys and FPV fixed wings. I've flown 6 years using Futaba radio. I am a relatively newbie for HTX, substitute Futaba by Radio Master gradually. Radio Master gimbal has more lateral travel than Futaba's. Radio Master has 60 degrees, left side 30 degrees, right side 30 degrees. And Futaba is slightly narrow, has 50 degrees, left side 25 degrees, right side 25 degrees. Radio Master's vertical travel is also larger than Futaba's, thankfully it is configurable. Because of Radio Master's lateral range, I feel a bit awkward, especially fly helis. Additionally, there are two gimbal has a different feeling because of difference of material, I think. Original Futaba gimbal is hard to get separately, so I purchased the cheap clone gimbal for Gimbal T16. This gimbal has almost the same dimensions, so I'm trying to do rehearsal. The gimbal have two versions, potentiometer version and Hall sensor version. I make it both of them. Hall sensor have almost permanent durability, but I recommend potentiometer version for easier modification. For modification, desolder the wires and connectors and rebuild wirings. I use box gimbal and connectors, but if you wanted to keep box gimbal for future use, you can purchase wire and connectors from online shopping mall. Sensor board should detach from gimbal, or not iron heat can melt the plastic parts. Check the circuits. Wiring is simple. Aileron to aileron, throttle to throttle, and etc. Real case shell modification is needed because the moving parts of gimbal have mechanical interference. This is hardest work for this modification. I use cutter knife and rotary tool. Gimbal T16 Hall sensor gimbal have mechanical interference, so I reinstall RF board on base side. Finally, work is done. Left thing is Hall sensor version, right thing is potentiometer version. On Hall sensor version, I found the deadband on stick end. It needs position adjustment for Hall sensor. Magnet of Hall sensor is slightly bulky, and I replaced the RF board on measure bay. As you can see, RF board placed on external bay, so other RF measure cannot attach. And the potentiometer version, I think this is better than Hall sensor version. It didn't replace the RF board, just drop in both gimbals. More simple and more easy. But if you don't like potentiometer, go Hall sensor version. That's all. Thanks for watching.